Hey everyone! Welcome back to Thinkaroo. We have some super exciting news to share today. Thinkaroo will be covering the December 2024 First LEGO League Regional Tournament in Toronto, bringing you live updates straight from the event. We'll be showcasing all the amazing robot designs, creative projects, and the incredible teams competing to solve real-world problems. So make sure you watch till the end for all the details, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the action. Now, let's dive into the world of the First LEGO League, also known as FLL. If you love robots, creativity, and solving real-world problems, then you're going to love this. Let's explore the two main parts of the First LEGO League: robot design and the project. These are what make FLL so exciting and unique. First up, robot design. In FL, each team designs, builds, and programs a LEGO robot to complete a series of missions on a game field. These missions are part of the annual theme, and they're all about using creativity and problem-solving to make your robot do things like pick up objects, push things, or even navigate tricky paths. Teams spend months working on their robots, testing different designs, and tweaking their code to make sure everything runs smoothly. It's all about experimenting, learning from mistakes, and making improvements. Seeing your robot complete a mission you've worked hard on is an amazing feeling. And it's not just about building a robot, it's about programming it to think, adapt, and solve challenges. Now, let's talk about the project. Each year, FLL teams are given a real-world problem to explore, related to the annual theme. For 2024, it's all about underwater environments, Submerged. Teams come up with innovative solutions, whether it's designing new tech to clean up oceans, creating systems to explore underwater caves, or finding ways to make life easier for people working underwater. The sky, or in this case, the sea, is the limit. The project is where teams can really show their creativity. They get to research, invent, and share their ideas with judges. It's not just about coming up with solutions. It's also about learning how to present your ideas confidently and clearly. What makes FLL so awesome is that it challenges teams to do both. You have to design a robot and work on an innovative project idea. That means FLL helps build skills in engineering, coding, teamwork, and communication, all in one go. So whether you love building and coding or you're great at brainstorming and presenting ideas, there's a place for you in First LEGO League. If you think this sounds like fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cool insights into fun and educational opportunities for kids. Join the FLL adventure, and let's make a splash in 2024. And don't forget, Thinkaroo will be covering the December 2024 First LEGO League Regional Tournament in Toronto, bringing you live updates straight from the event. We'll be showcasing all the amazing robot designs, creative projects, and the incredible teams competing to solve real-world problems with their brilliant ideas. If you want to stay updated on all the action, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss any of the fun, excitement, and inspiring moments from the FLL Regional Tournament. Stay tuned, and let's cheer on all the teams together.